Baby girl, can't lead me through the darkness like I'm blind. You say what you don't mean, girl, I'm just tryna read your mind. I wanna make this perfect, but I know it takes some time. One thing for sure is that I will never count you.
Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do the viral heart bun hairstyle. This is such a cute hairstyle, but it's quite easy to do. So you want to start off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. Make sure all the kinks and tangles are out, because once you do that, you're going to start pressing out the hair. So what you're really going to do is pretty much start your whole process off as if you were doing a sleek back ponytail. Okay, and once you do that, you want to make sure you get a nice center part. Y'all, I was struggling with this doggone center part. Do not judge me, because I was going off of the camera and I'm like, wait, this is not even. So I haired up and cleaned all of that up. Make sure your parts are nice and crisp, because that's what's going to give the elegance of the style. Another key part on to get the best middle part and the most crisp middle part and accurate middle part is just by turning them around to the mirror, and you have them look straight on the mirror, and that way you can see if their part is slanting or anything like that. And as y'all can see, it's pretty centered for the most part. So then once you do that, you're gonna kind of like part in a triangular shape, as you can see right there. And that's going to be your bang area. So once you clip your bangs aside as well as your back hair, we're going to go ahead and start on the edges so they can lay and do their thing. So I typically curl my edges just so I can get that nice little swirl look. Her top edges did not cooperate, so I did end up swooping that just right into the sleek ponytail. So yeah, as you can see, we just curl really tightly so that the curl doesn't loosen up, and then you're just going to swoop it all in there and define your edges. Okay, so now you're going to mold your pigtails, and you're going to do it like, I don't know why I just did that. Come back. So you're just going to mold them like a regular sleek back ponytail or pigtails with wax and freeze spray to lay everything in place. And as y'all can see, everything is nice and neat. So to create the heart effect, you're just going to get a regular bun and put 2 rubber bands on it, make it look like Mickey Mouse. Y'all, I'm sorry I forgot to record me actually wrapping it around the bun, but you're gonna do that just like you're wrapping a regular bun, but focus most of the hair at the top so that you have coverage. So now I took a little piece of my bang, and that's gonna be for your spikes at the end. So I just spray it with freeze spray, lay everything flat against the hair in the same direction. Because if you don't do it in the same direction, it will show. You'll be able to tell that you put that part there. It will just look weird. So I blow dry everything in place, and then once I do that, you'll see. So now I'm going to put a rubber band over that small piece so that it's secured, because you don't want that piece going anywhere. The freeze spray is not going to hold it in place forever. So I just grab all the hair at the top, and pretty much what you do with the bun, you just make sure everything like is nice and tight. So as you can see, I probably messed up this small little piece right here. So I'm gonna just kind of like, yeah, smooth it into place. And then this is also what I did to create a more of a rounder effect. I just got like the end of my rat tail comb and like pulled the hair out so it can have more of that fluffy round look. So you go up under the hair where the bun is and pull out. And that's pretty much all you have to do for the actual bun. So now for the spikes, I just spray it with some Got2b spray because you want it to have hold, you want it to be firm. And what I'm going to do is, once I spray it, I'll go over it with a flat iron and put a small little bump in there. And once you did all of those steps, you're going to flat iron top pieces to your likings. And that's it for the tutorial, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I couldn't get an in-depth tutorial because my camera angles were horrible, but I hope you got the concept of it. Make sure you ask any questions that you have in the comments and comment down stuff that you would like to see in the future. It's Alisha Rena here, and I'm out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.